back. We're in Hong Kong, and for the next few nights we're staying at Regent Hong Kong, and we're going to be staying here at the Corner Suite Harbor View and also trying some of the restaurants for breakfast, afternoon tea, and dinner. So I'm excited to take you guys along. But first, let me show you around this suite, which has beautiful panoramic views of Victoria Harbor from the living room. It's a wraparound corner suite with a very modern, luxurious design. I love how you have these views all across the suite from the living room to the bedroom. And once you make your way over to the bedroom, you can actually close this for privacy. This leads to the spacious closet and storage area and right into the large oasis bathroom. You have the shower and double wash basins here. And then my favorite part of the suite, which is this very aesthetic round bathtub area. So excited to spend the next few days here. This suite is 1,000 square feet and starts from around 2,000 USD a night.
Yeah, the next one will be from Germany. It's matte. We'll have two different color. We'll have the olive.
We're doing a few tours of the top suites here, and I wanted to show you guys this one, which is the Terrace suite. The first thing you notice when you walk in is that this is a very open and spacious duplex suite with floor-to-ceiling windows that have panoramic views of Victoria Harbor. So you have a modern dining room that sits up to 8 guests, and this goes right into a living room that's perfect for hosting. There's even a connecting entertainment room designed to play mahjong or for game night. But the craziest part about this suite is this private rooftop terrace where you can take in Hong Kong's iconic skyline. This almost feels just as spacious, if not more, than the area inside. There's a huge lounge area with a dining table, sofas, and this outdoor whirlpool. I mean, imagine an early morning dip here or watching the sunset with a glass of champagne in hand while taking in this insane view. Another moment for this view, and as you go back inside, you can walk up this glass staircase that leads you upstairs, and that's when we get to the oasis bath surrounded by that same backdrop. So you have the option to soak outside or inside, both with that beautiful view. This is next to the beautifully designed bathroom. I love the details in this bathroom, and this shower is just so spacious. It feels a little bit like a maze here, but this wraps around into the bedroom. This bed also faces this incredible view so that it's the first thing you wake up to. And lastly, you have this vanity that takes advantage of all this natural light and this spacious closet, changing, and lounge area. This is so huge, it almost feels like a maze, and I could definitely get lost in here. The suite is 5,500 square feet and starts from around 19,000 USD a night.
Bye.